You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ram 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and one-touch window functionality. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.